Hi, welcome to Lucky and Neko Origami Lessons. I'm going to do another aeroplane today, this one. So we'll start with a square piece of paper because I don't have A4 paper, but you can try using an A4 paper. So to get this one reduced to the ratio, I need to get thirds. So put it flat on the table like this, roll it to where you think about 1, 2, 3 parts are, roll the other one, and you just try to hold it on the table while you're trying to get closer to the edge. So just maneuver the paper so the edge here comes at the end, and push this side in so you get a third there, and then hold it at the bottom on the table. You can see that it's pretty close to it. Now I'm going to put it flat on the table and just press slightly, and when you open it you will see 1, 2, 3, 3/3. So if I do this, I only need 2. So I also don't have scissors, so I'm going to use my little trick. You put your paper between your finger and your nail and run along the paper. Do it a few times, and this breaks up the fibers in the paper, and then put it flat on the table, do a little break at the top, and then slowly hold this side down, pull this way, slowly. Do it a few times and you'll get the hang of it. So this is a smaller ratio size of a A4 paper. Now we're going to fold this in half just to make sure that I was pretty well spot on. And we're going to start folding about a finger's width down like so. So you can play around and change the width of these folds and see what happens to your aeroplanes. Interesting experiment. There's the half line. I'm gonna hold my finger to that line just so it gives me a guide, and then I'm going to fold this to the center like so. But before I press, I'm going to bring this one down just to make sure that they match pretty good. Yep, I've got a nice corner, they match here. Now I can press down on the edges. Cool. Now we're going to fold this edge to the center. So hold it still, try and match the corner there nicely, then you just run that smooth, and we do the same to the other side. So there we are. So from here we're going to flip this over, and we're going to fold this triangle all the way down here. You can experiment and try it different places, but I'm just going to experiment this way and go all the way to the bottom. Fold this in half like so. Now I'm going to turn it sideways because it's easier. I'm going to fold it in half. if you want to hold it up in your hand, you can do that as well. And before you press down, I'm going to match the corners, the edges, and then I'm going to press down here. Yeah, it will be a bit hard because you've got so many folds along here, but that's okay. And after you've done this, you're going to fold this open like so, and you're going to bring this triangle, no, hold on, I've done this, I forgot one step, bring this side here, that's what I forgot. Okay, so I need to bring this side here, so that side here, like so. And now when I open this to the colored side, you're going to bring this up, and it's kind of stuck, doesn't come any further anyways, that's why you know where to stop, and you will have this shape. Now what we're going to do is fold this in half, like so. And from here we're going to make a triangle about there. And this triangle now is going to be reverse fold, which means you open this up and you push the triangle inside in reverse, so it looks like so. And the last step is where you're going to have to try and imagine a line going from there straight to the point of the plane. So that's the line against which I'm going to fold this wing. So the point, and it slowly goes up to where that ends. It will be a bit tricky to press this down here. And now you can see that I have to do the same on the other side. So I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to follow the fold that the other side had. There we go. Bit hard around here. And there is your plane. So you hold it from here and you play with it. Well, good luck, and I hope your plane flies pretty well. Thank you for watching.